This is Ayushi Vaishnav from IntelliResX Solution. I hope in the last video you have learned that how to create a Hello World application with Windows. In this tutorial, I'll tell you that how to add the app bar in your window application. So for adding the app bar, I'm going to the project, empty project, blank project which we have created. So for adding the app bar, first of all, you guys should know that what is an app bar. So app bar is a panel that is for users to easily get access with the commands. It automatically disappears when user doesn't need it. So there are two types of app bars: bottom app bar and top app bar. So suppose now I want to add the app bar at the top. I want to add the top app bar. So I'll go to this toolbox. I'll add this app bar here. We can change the size. So now, if in this app bar we want to add some button, like if we want to add two or more buttons, then first of all we should confirm that stack panel is added in this app bar or not. So here we can see that stack panel is already added. For adding two or more buttons, we will add the buttons in stack panel. So first of all, we'll remove this code from here and this closing tag must be removed, and then we'll separately remove this stack panel. And closing tag with closing tags stack panel, because this app bar cannot contain more than one button without the stack panel. So now suppose I'll add add this button from this toolbox. I'm dragging one button and suppose I'm increasing the width of this stack panel. Now the button, you can also adjust this button height width accordingly. I want it like this, here like this. If you want to add more button, then just copy this button code and you can also generate another and just paste it here inside this stack panel. This is the content of this button, like what should be appear on the button. Like in the first button I want home, and second button I'm writing page 1, and second button I'm writing page 2. This is the height width, as we have said. This is the margin from left, top and right, etc. And there are some properties of these buttons, like this is the first button, home button I have added. Like if I'll click on this button, then what should happen? So I'll create an event here in this button tag. Like I want on click, so I'll write click. On click will be what? I want a new ick. There will be a function generated in a new window, as we can see it. Button click 1. This is nothing. I can remove this like this. So if I'll run this code. This can take some time. So this is the application we have created here. If I'll right click, so this is the app bar which we have created, like home, page 1, page 2. So this is how we handle app bar in Windows application. So guys, that's it for this session. I hope you like this part of coding. For more updates, stay tuned to Intelligent. Thank you.